All right, RC Dad Nola here. I want to make a quick video on how to install a pinion gear onto a motor. Doesn't matter if it's an outrunner or whatever, it's going to be the same procedure. The reason I'm making this video is because I'm new to the sport. Didn't really know, I'm having to learn as I go, but there's a lot of videos out there, but it's just a few videos that I wish I could have seen when I was a brand new guy. So this is for the newbies. The guys have been in this for a while. You know, please like and subscribe, but yeah, you can go to another video. All right, so let's talk about it. How to install a pinion gear. You're going to see, the first thing you're going to see is the shaft has a flat spot on one side. All right, the pinion gear I have is a complete circle. There's no kind of keying in this shaft, and you have like this little set screw. You're going to take this little set screw, insert it, put a little dab of Loctite on it, screw it in. You're going to slide it over the shaft so that the set screw will seat on this flat spot. You're going to put it in there like that, and then you're going to sit and you're going to tighten it up. You're going to snug it down, quarter turn. Do not over tighten this. You can see that this thing spins freely. So it's a set screw that's going to hold it onto the flat spot. All right, so I'm going to do this real quick. All right, so the first thing you want to do, put a little blue Loctite on it. Doesn't take much, just a little bit. Just a little bit. That's way too much. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. I'm going to slide it onto the shaft, line it up on the and that's it. That's how you install a pinion gear onto the shaft. Thanks for watching. Always remember, support your local hobby shops, and if you would, please like and subscribe.